Okay, indicators for precipitation of titrations involving silver. First, color precipitate formation, Mohr's method, a dilute solution of suitable substance that forms an intense color precipitate with the reagent added from the burette is one type of indicator. For example, in Mohr's method of argentometric titration of chloride involving precipitation reaction, the end point is detected by adding a small quantity of potassium chromate as an indicator. Silver nitrate, sodium chloride, silver chloride, white PPT, silver nitrate, chromate, potassium chromate, black PPT. Color solution formation, Bollard's methods. A solution of suitable substance which forms a soluble color compound with the solution added from burette is another type of indicator. For example, in Bollard's method of argentometric titrations of chloride, the excess of unreacted silver ion present is detected by titrating mixture against the standard thiocyanate solution using iron ion as indicator. Color solution formation, Bollard methods. A solution of suitable substance which forms a soluble colored compound with the solution added from burette is another type of indicator. For example, Bollard's method, argentometric titration of the chloride, the excess of unreacted silver ion present is detected by titrating mixture chloride, the standard thiocyanate, using ferrous ion. Adjacent indicators, Fajan's method, an organic compound which is adsorbed on the an organic compound which is adsorbed on the surface of a precipitate causing color change acts as an adsorption indicator. An organic compound which is adsorbed on the surface of a precipitate causing color change acts as adsorption indicator. Acid dyes fluorescence series. Example, fluorescent and eosine, which are utilized as sodium salts. Acid dyes, fluorescent series, fluorescent and eosine, which are utilized as sodium salts. Basic dyes, rhodamine series, rhodamine 6G, which are applied as halogen salts. Acid dyes, basic dyes. Use of adjacent indicator in determination of chloride. The theory of the action of adjacent indicator is based on the properties of chlorides. Okay, sorry. Use of adjacent indicators in the determination of chloride. The theory mechanism of the action adjacent indicator is based on the properties of colloids. For example, silver reacts with chloride, silver chlorides. Primary layer, secondary layer. Silver chloride precipitate in the presence of excess of chloride. Silver chloride precipitate in the presence of excess of silver. Colored complex pink color at the end point due to adjacent of indicators. Condition for the choice of suitable adjacent indicator. The precipitate should separate ideally in the colloidal condition and coagulation should be avoided as far as possible. The solution should not be too dilute as the amount of precipitate formed will be small and color change far from sharp with change indicator. The titration should must be at suitable pH for the indicators to be predominantly ionic form. The indicator ion must be opposite charge to the ion of precipitating agent. The indicator ion should not be adsorbed before the particular compound have been completely precipitated, but it should be strongly adsorbed immediately after the equivalent point.